Hey everyone, what's up guys? You're welcome back to my channel and you're welcome back to today's video guys. Okay, so in today's video, all right, before that, if you're new, you're welcome. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe, y'all. Okay, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you a great ingredients using some very natural way to remove double chin, and sagginess. Okay, this is literally going to work from the skin, not inside of the body. Okay, so the first ingredients which we are going to be needing is potato. Okay, so we're actually going to be using Irish potato for this. Okay, so because potato contains a lightening property and a tightening agent, it will actually help to reduce all of those sagginess of chin and double chin. Okay, it will actually help to firm your skin up and make you look younger. Guys, if you have that double chin of a thing, you're literally not gonna be looking cute. Okay, so you need to look cute, you need to look beautiful, by removing all of those double chin going on there. Okay guys, so this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go wash this, cook it for like 5 minutes and blend it into a paste form. So it's gonna be very smooth, and I will be right back. Alright guys, so this is my potato just blended, and I'm gonna be taking just 1 tablespoon because I actually do not need too much of it. 1 tablespoon is perfect for the potato. You can see how blended it is, very smooth. Okay, and all of that. Okay, to increase the effectiveness of this treatment, we're going to making use of yogurt. Now, because yogurt contains a whole lot of ingredients like lactic acids and a lot of ingredients that helps to firm up the skin and increase the collagen level on your skin, so that's why we're actually imputing yogurt for this skin tightening remedy. Okay, so I'm actually going to be taking 3 tablespoons of my yogurt. Okay guys, so after putting that, then we'll have to stir the potato and the yogurt together. Okay, so after that is done, then we're going to be needing to use Colgate, okay, for this. Now this actually helps so much to remove breakouts on the skin. It helps so much in tightening up the skin, so that's where we actually need Colgate a whole lot in this particular ingredients, yeah, because it's going to help to make your skin tighter and firmer. After putting that in, then we'd have to mix it. And the very last ingredient which we need so much is this, and this is petroleum jelly. Okay, so if you don't want to use petroleum jelly, you can actually use coconut oil or olive oil. Okay, for me right now, I'm gonna be using petroleum jelly for this, yeah, and it's gonna be interestingly helpful to the skin because it's going to give the skin moisture that it needs, and the skin actually needs oil. Even if you have an oily skin, the skin actually needs oil on the skin so much, yeah. So we'll do it this way. Alright, so let's go apply this onto the skin and get a very effective result, and then reduce the double chin and all of that. Okay guys, so this is my treatment for my double chin. Okay, now this particular treatment works externally, it does not work internally. So if you want something that would actually remove the fat inside, you have to try something else, not this one. Okay, I have a video like that though. Okay, but this one is just to tighten up your loose skin, not fat. Okay, so what you do after mixing this, you can see how it is looking like, and it smells good too. So what you do is that you apply this into your double chin, your jaw. Oh my god, this is actually very smooth. It feels really smooth, guys. Okay, so you have to pack this treatment onto your double chin area. Just do this. Yeah, and after that's done, then you can first of all give it a massage, because the skin needs some massage to be able to increase the blood circulations and help you so much. So what you do is to give it a good massage, just like this. Just like this. Okay. Okay, so after which you've actually massaged this, then you can just hold down for it to, you know, tighten up your skin. Now you're going to be feeling, so if you actually follow all of the ingredients correctly, you're going to be feeling some tingling sensations, some hot sensations. That is actually from the paste. It is very well okay. That is going to go down. Okay, so after that, then you leave it for it to dry. Okay, when it dries, then you can actually, you know, clean it off or wash it off. So for this particular ingredient, you can actually store it for some time. Okay, for you to be able to apply it, you can store it for some 5 days or so, and then it will help you to, you know, tighten your double chin. So you literally just continue for that 5 days to do that. Then the next week you make another one to do that. It's not something you have to use once and be like, oh okay, I'm not seeing any improvements, you know, on my double chin here. Okay, all of that, you know. So you have to calm down and be patient. That way you're going to see a whole lot of improvements. Okay, so that's it guys. Now after which this has stayed on your chin and has dried, you can hold on for like 5 minutes, let it dry. Now when it dries, the next thing you're going to do is to clean this off. Yeah, just to clean this off, just like this. Alright guys, so for those people who do not have double chin, if you do have fine lines on your eye or on your mouth area, you can equally use this and it's perfect. Okay, so that's it. So after which you've cleaned it, you know, that's actually a very simple way to remove your treatment on your skin, and then you can wash it with a soap with warm water, not hot water, warm water, and it's literally going to help you so very much to remove all of your double chin. Yeah, okay guys, so thank you very much for watching, and do subscribe, thumbs up this video and share, and I'll see you again in the next video. Bye.